Alright, skincare lovers, let's talk about something magical today: clay masks. If you haven't incorporated clay masks into your skincare routine yet, you're seriously missing out. By the end of this video, you'll understand why clay masks are the ultimate detox for your face. Let's dive in! Firstly, clay masks come in various types like bentonite, kaolin, and French green clay. Each type has its own unique properties, but they all serve the same incredible purpose: to detoxify your skin. So how do these masks work their magic? When you apply a clay mask to your face, it starts to dry and harden. During this process, the clay is drawing out impurities, toxins, and excess oils from your skin. Imagine it like a magnet, pulling all the gunk out from your pores. This leaves your skin feeling fresh, clean, and rejuvenated. Now let's break down the benefits. One of the main advantages of using clay masks is their ability to control oil production. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, these masks are your best friends. They help to absorb excess oil, which can reduce the chances of breakouts. But wait, there's more. Clay masks are also fantastic for improving skin texture. The natural minerals in the clay gently exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells and leaving you with a smoother, more even complexion. Plus, they can help minimize the appearance of pores, giving you that flawless look we all crave. And don't worry if you have sensitive skin. There are gentle clay masks available that won't irritate your face. Just look for options like pink clay or white kaolin clay, which are known for their soothing properties. Using a clay mask is super easy. Simply apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it starts to feel tight. Then, rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Now, a quick tip: don't overdo it. Using a clay mask once or twice a week is plenty. Overuse can lead to dryness or irritation, so listen to your skin and give it the care it needs. So there you have it. Clay masks are a simple, natural, and incredibly effective way to detox your face. They draw out impurities, control oil, improve texture, and leave your skin looking radiant. What's not to love? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy masking!